Video, we'll take a quick tour of Bitdefender Central. Bitdefender Central is a cloud-based platform that serves as your user account. It's the go-to for activating subscriptions, installing protection, managing your devices, and more. It can be accessed on any device connected to the internet. All you have to do is open your browser, go to central.bitdefender.com and sign in or create an account. You can also use the Bitdefender Central app, available for Android and iOS. With the mobile app, you get almost the same features, but they're organized a bit differently. Let's take a closer look at the key features. Dashboard. The main dashboard provides a security report at a glance. You can see the devices you have protected and a summary of recently detected threats in one place. Here you can also install Bitdefender products included in your subscription. Join the Bitdefender expert community and read the latest cybersecurity news feed from the Bitdefender blogs. In the bottom left corner of the Bitdefender Central page, you can change the display language to your preferred language at any moment. My devices. From here you can install Bitdefender on your devices. This is where you'll also see which devices are protected and which ones need attention. Each panel displays the device name, operating system, and installed Bitdefender apps. When a device is at risk, click on View Issues to find out what's wrong and how to fix it. If a device is turned on and connected to the internet, you can perform a variety of remote operations from this section. Running a malware scan, optimizing Windows, using anti-theft to find a lost device, and checking for vulnerabilities. The top row icons allow you to rename devices, update Bitdefender, remove devices from your central account, and more. These sections are specifically designed for managing Bitdefender's standalone or online services, such as password manager, digital identity protection, VPN. If you have Bitdefender Total Security or Internet Security, you can set up parental control to keep an eye on your child's online activity, track where they are and limit their screen time. Next, let's take a look at my subscriptions. All the information about your Bitdefender purchases is available here, such as the subscription name, the apps included with each subscription, the number of seats, supported operating systems, and the expiration date. To activate a new subscription, click on Activate with Code. Type in the code you got when you purchased Bitdefender, and then click on Activate. You can modify device allocations by selecting the Manage Devices option located on each subscription. If you want to transfer your device to a different license, because, let's say, you purchased a new Bitdefender subscription, and the current one is about to expire, just follow these steps. Click on Change, and then select Change Allocation. It's that easy. If you've used all your licensed seats and want to free up one, like when you switch to a brand new iMac, you can easily remove the unused device with just one click. The user guide will open a document to help you make the best use of your Bitdefender product. To retrieve invoices, or stop your Bitdefender subscription from renewing automatically, go to My Payments at the top of the page. Then View Details. Notifications. The bell icon lets you know what's happening on the devices connected to your central account. Once you select it, you will see the activity of the Bitdefender apps installed on your devices. These notifications keep you informed about the security of your devices, and help you identify any potential threats that need to be addressed. For a summary of the cyber threats detected in the last month, refer to the Security section of your Bitdefender Central account. Want to check your account settings and info? It's easy. Just click on your name in the top right corner. Log out of your account here. In this tab, you can modify the email address associated with your Bitdefender Central account. Edit your personal information. Change your account password. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra security. Manage trusted devices. Uncheck these options to unsubscribe from Bitdefender newsletters. Here you can delete your Central account. Support. From the support area, you can access our knowledge base articles, watch step-by-step video tutorials, read the user's guide, or get in touch with Bitdefender support. Thanks for watching.